Struggling with SAT math, having a hard time finding the right tutor? You're not alone. Finding the right tutor can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You need someone who knows the SAT inside and out and can explain complex concepts simply, and mostly someone who understands you. Don't worry, we're here to help. The perfect SAT math tutor is someone with expert knowledge of SAT math syllabus, skill to break down complex concepts into digestible bites, adaptability to cater to your unique learning style, patience and empathy to guide you at your own pace, communication skills to learn and provide constructive feedback, enthusiasm to inspire a love of learning, reliability to provide a consistent learning environment, resourcefulness to use the best learning tools, and a resultant-oriented approach to help you hit your target SAT score. With the right tutor, SAT math will start making sense in no time, but the journey doesn't stop there. Follow our Make SAT Prep Make Sense for more helpful content like this. And don't forget to click the link in our bio to get a free copy of our SAT Prep Blueprint book. Make your journey to SAT success today.